fucking cold. Hopefully I don't slip. So it is early, as you guys can tell. And I have class today. Ooh. Bet this is a great view. Ooh. Ah, it's cold. Okay, here we go. In the car. Okay, so as you can see, it is 8 a.m. Well, not yet. 7:20. Woke up at 6:30. I'm on my way to class now. Well, almost. I'm gonna give you guys an update first. Yeah. I have 8 a.m.s every Wednesday. It sucks. But, you know, I push through. So, I'm not gonna, well, yeah. Let's go. I have to turn this off, though, because of hazards. Update. At a stoplight. I always bring my bagel to eat on my way to class, because who got time to eat at their house? I mean, who's gonna wake up early just to eat? Oh, scream! My turn, bitches. Really dangerous. I just almost hit a bunny. Holy shit. Wow. Okay, anyway. Isn't safe, but I'm a professional driver, so it is safe. And a semi just pulled out right in front of me. Cool. Can't you tell I'm going at least 5 over the limit? Okay, I'm cold. So I'm gonna snap. Or not snap, I guess. I'm gonna video you guys when I get there. BRB. Every time I have my phone up like this, I feel like people are judging me that I'm on my phone. Because, you know, it's frowned upon. Or against the law, sorry. Maybe it's against the law. I'm a rule breaker. Okay, person, I have a green light. But yeah, let's just walk right out on the fuck lane. Jesus Lord. Ah, I hate people. So, this is a typical Wednesday for me. Class at 8. And then all the way until 10:30 for another class. All the way till 12:20, but it usually doesn't go till then. It usually stops at like 11. So yeah, and today I have an oil change at 2:45. So you guys are gonna tag along with me for that. Okay, guys, we're almost to Rasmussen. I just gotta go around this sharp ass curve. Ooh, a little bit of a bump. Park. I'm gonna go in, and I'll see you guys in there. Okay, I am done with class, but now I'm on my way to my next class, so that's fun. I'm so tired. And it's snowing, so the roads are so shitty. But it's okay, because I'm not gonna crash. It's gonna be fine. Oh, it's freezing! Oh, I need coffee so bad, but I can't even get a Starbucks right now because I want to enjoy it. I don't want to have to chug it right before my lab because I can't have drinks in there. So I'm gonna just have to get coffee after class. Yep. Oh, person, go. Y'all better stop for me because it's my turn. Oh my god, I just drifted. Good thing there were no cars around. Holy buckers. Okay. Okay, guys, it's a bit slippery out. Be careful. I don't want to go to class. Literally, we have to dissect a sheep eye. That'll be fun. I can't wait. Well, I'm gonna drive so I don't die, because otherwise there'd be no video, so bye. So, just an update. I made it to Rasmussen, but I got some time before class, so I'm gonna chill in the car. But I'm gonna go on my phone, so I'll see you guys after class. Hi guys! I finally finished class. It was not fun, but you know, it's fine. I am on my way to get Starbucks because I need some coffee. And then I'm meeting my ma. I have an oil change today, so she'll pick me up, drop my car off, and yeah. Can't wait. Get some more Christmas shopping done. So yeah, that is my planio. And the roads are really slippery. It is snowing out. So that's wonderful. No one better hit me today. What should I get, guys? I'm starving. Go! So I found a way to put you guys on my dash where you won't be blocked by my steering wheel. Flip the phone the other way. And I'm very disappointed in myself that it took me that long to realize that I should do that. But here we are. And I also keep looking at my face instead of the camera, so I apologize. I'll look at you. Oh, it's my turn. Oh shit, what do I want? I'll just do a medium caramel brulee latte.
Caramel brulee. Would you like to add an extra shot in there?
Sure.
Yeah,
Nope, that'll be all. Okay, so she asked me if I wanted an extra shot in there. And I panicked and said yes, so watch my heart now die from the caffeine overload. But you know what? It's gonna be okay. Right? I'll survive. I think I'm gonna do a Ride With Me holiday edition because I found some Christmas music that YouTube Music has that I can use in all my videos. And I'm pretty stoked, not gonna lie. Oh, why am I using my card? I have $10 right in my dash.
$3.83.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks. You too. I got snow in my car. Gotta say, come on people, drive. Why you gotta take 5 minutes? If some asshole slides into me with their minivan. I got my caramel brulee coffee. It's probably gonna be really hot. Should I try it anyway? Yes, okay. Oh, that's not good. That double shot really makes it extra coffee. I'm gonna drink it anyway because it was $6.47. Oh, why did the light have to turn red? People, drive a bit faster, please. If I crash, at least you guys will be here with me. I'm actually a really good driver. My dad and my mom taught me very well. But it's other people that I don't trust. Like, not everyone knows how to freaking drive in the snow. And immediately, right after it snows, oh god, there's a paper bag. Ah! I never know if a paper bag is going to interfere with my driving or not. Anyway, you never know how people are going to flip and drive. Because I'm so tired. Wednesdays are the worst because you're literally waking up at 6:30. You have class till say 12:30. I guess it's not that bad, but I'm so tired. Look at this guy licking my ass. Get off of it. Like for reals. If I brake check you, you're gonna go into my ass and I'm gonna sue you. And then you're gonna have to pay me. So I would watch it if I were you. I am one of those people that definitely ride others' ass. I'm not gonna like deny it. But if you're gonna ride my ass, then I'm gonna go A-ham on you. Like, I'm gonna be pissed. Because, I mean, I usually drive a decent speed. I'm never, like, super slow. I'm usually going at least 5 over, you know? So if you're riding my ass, you're just over speeding, and that's not okay. So technically I'm in the right. This band, I like it. It's kind of pissing me off today. I can't get it to look how I want it to look, but I'm going with it. It's really funny. Oh shit, yellow. I'm going. I made it. I ain't gonna try and slam my brakes on in this snowy weather. I'll go sliding in and either T-bone someone or I'll get T-boned. So that ain't gonna happen. So I'm just gonna book it through and hope I get across the intersection before it hits red. You never realize, oh my god, person, fucking turn. Well, there's like a rear end you. I feel like you never know how poor you are until Christmas comes and you have to spend all your money on other people. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love giving to others and I love Christmas and buying other people gifts. Like, it's so much fun. But when you don't got money, it's kind of hard. Money's a bit tight this year. I'm so hungry. In lab, we were dissecting a sheep's eyeball. And oh my god, having your stomach just make noises and be in pain from being hungry and looking at the inside of an eyeball with pus and everything coming out of it, like, it didn't make my stomach feel good at all. And yeah. And now that I'm hungry, it's just like, ugh. Isn't good. So I need some food ASAP. Okay, I'm at the dealership, so I gotta go, because I gotta bring my car in, so I'll see you guys later. A day in my life. Hi guys, I'm back. As you could see from the last part of the video, I was in the hospital today. Was not planning on doing that today, but you know, there it was. So to make a long story short, my mom and I were out to eat. I started getting really bad blurry vision, kind of freaked us both out. It went away after about 15 minutes, and then I got a really bad migraine. It was so bad I felt like I was gonna throw up. My body was kind of like shaky, and yeah, I just felt very nauseous. Bad headache. I hated it. So we decided to go to the hospital just to be on the safe side. You just never know. It's really important to do that no matter what. So they ended up giving me fluids, some medicine to make me feel better. And yeah, I'm good. Probably one of the worst migraines I've ever had. It's only the second one that I've ever had in my lifetime. The other one was a senior in high school. So it was definitely interesting to experience it again and at a higher degree. But yeah, I'm good. It was an interesting Wednesday, so I'm glad that you guys got to be part of it, I guess. I think I am going to close out today's video like that. I have a lot of resting I want to do tonight. I'm gonna just go home. I'm gonna eat some soup, have some grilled cheese, and just lay in bed, honestly. So yeah, I'm sorry it's really dark right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I definitely plan on doing more of these, but I guess this was not a typical day for me, but you know, glad I got you guys to be a part of it. So if you like this video, make sure to like it, give it a thumbs up, and comment below, and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Bye guys.